Mug life. Mug life. All right, we're gonna take a vote on what is your favorite mug that is here today. I'm gonna start with this one. Do you like, this is my happy face. Bam. I don't know why there's a seal in there, but there is. Okay, this is my happy face. Choice number 1. Choice number 2. 4 stages of a man's life. 1, you believe in Santa. 2, you don't believe in Santa. 3, you are Santa. And 4, you look like Santa. Choice number 2, 4 stages of a man's life. All right. Filled with tears of my staff. I don't have any tears. I don't have any staff crying, so my mug is empty. Choice number 3, filled with tears of my staff. What about this one? You are an amazing woman. Someone didn't believe in themselves and they gave their mug away. Wow, and there's even a Bible verse letting you know how amazing you are. I think that would be my pick. It's choice number 4. Are we on 4? Let's see what else we can find. What? Can you say mug life?
Mug life? This is gonna be amazing.
Oh my gosh. We don't even have to do a contest because number 5 is the best mug. I'm so buying this for Gary Vee. Jeez Louise. Mug life.
It's mug life till I die.
I love the mug life.
I love mug life.
All right, what's your favorite? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or my personal favorite, mug life. Let me know in the comments and let me know if you love the mug life.
I like the mug life.
Ciao for now.